Hello and welcome to the AI Factory Security Demo. Acunox is your partner for securing AI workloads, protecting everything from the initial code to the final model in action. We provide a unified platform to secure your entire AI factory. AI factories are powerful GPU-based platforms where organizations train, deploy, and manage AI models at a massive scale. They combine huge compute resources with collaborative development environments. This setup brings new challenges for security and compliance. AI factories and GPU as a service introduce new risks that go beyond typical cloud security. For instance, weak isolation between tenants can let attackers move laterally and escape their sandbox. Valuable datasets and trained models are tempting targets for theft, requiring strict controls and monitoring. There are also risks from model poisoning, where bad data inputs or compromised images can introduce backdoors. GPUs are also attractive to crypto miners, so controlling CUDA access and monitoring kernel behavior is crucial. On top of that, a lack of detailed logging and provenance makes audits and compliance a headache. Acunox gives you the flexibility to deploy our security solution wherever you need it, whether it's on-premise, in the cloud, or in a hybrid environment. For on-premise and private clouds, we can block unsafe mounts and prevent RCE. In hybrid setups, we provide a central policy plane with distributed enforcement. And for cloud and GPU AAS providers, we use an agent-based approach for runtime enforcement. Our platform works with a wide range of popular AI/ML platforms and runtimes. We have specific support for technologies like NVIDIA CUDA, Jupyter Hub, Hugging Face, and PyTorch. This allows us to seamlessly integrate into your existing AI workflows. The Acunox platform is a zero-trust CNAP powered by runtime security. Our mission is to secure your AI from code to cognition. We can protect access to GPUs and CUDA, prevent models from being stolen, and detect unusual GPU usage. We use policy as code to enforce security throughout the entire lifecycle. Next, we'll explore how AccuKnox provides robust security in the real world. Let's take a look at 4 specific demo scenarios designed to protect your AI factories and GPU fleets.
So this is part one. Uh, let's see how we can secure Jupyter notebooks running within a Kubeflow cluster from crypto mining attacks. So I have a Kubeflow cluster in front of me, and I have a Jupyter notebook running within it. Let's launch a new notebook, and I have a piece of code in front of me. What this tries to do is it tries to pull down the XMRig binary from the internet, and it tries to execute it. And when I run this piece of code, you'll see that it will allow me to do it. So Jupyter Notebook by default doesn't prevent any of the crypto mining attacks. And crypto mining attacks, Jupyter Notebooks are a very good target for crypto mining attacks since they usually have some kind of a GPU attached to them. So to prevent such attacks, I have a Jupyter Notebook hardening policy. Let's try to apply it. And now let's try to rerun the same exact piece of code. And it doesn't allow me to do it. So in the second part, we'll see how we can secure Kubeflow pipelines. And pipelines is the stage which is usually vulnerable to data poisoning attack. So let's go to pipeline and let's spin up a test pipeline. I have this pipeline manifest. Let's Let's name it mnest. Let's try to create it. Now let's create a run out of the pipeline. Let's choose our experiment. Let's start. And off goes the pipeline. It has multiple stages. Let's wait for it to start. And under the hood, it uses Argo workflows. So if you go to the cluster, you will see pods spinning up. And in this scenario, we'll try to simulate a remote code execution vulnerability. So we'll assume that the pipeline is vulnerable to a remote code execution, and we'll simulate it by trying to exec into one of the pipeline pods. The pipeline is currently on the training phase. Let's try. This is the container for it. Let's try to exec into this. And in Kubeflow by default uses menu. So if you go to slash menu, you will find the pipeline artifacts, the pipeline training data is inside this folder. So if I go to ML pipeline, let's see what is over here. Okay, let's see it over here. And here is my training data. So as an attacker, if I want to perform a data poisoning attack, I can come over here and I can try to poison this training data. And it allows me to do so. Now let's see how we can secure pipelines against data poisoning attack using Acunox. So I have this policy over here. It only allows write to the menu directory uh, through the process that are actually intended to write to that directory. Let's activate our policy. And now let's again try to do the same thing what we did previously. Let's again try to write to this directory. And it doesn't allow me to do so. It gives me a permission denied error. And in fact, I will not even be able to create any file over here or even delete the training data. Moving to the third part of the demo, let's see how we can secure inference engines. Over here, I have an sklearn inference server running, and we'll again try to simulate a remote code execution vulnerability by trying to exec into the pod. So let me try executing into this pod. And what I want to do is I want to launch a reverse shell. So I have a command and control server running. Let me spin up a natcat listener. And I know Python is over here. So let's go to reverseshell.com. This is the IP of my command and control server. Let's search for Python. Let's copy. And I have a reverse shell. Let's stop this. And let's see how we can harden this. So I have a scikit-learn policy. And let's try to activate it. And now let's attempt to do the same thing. Let's see what happens. Right off the back, it doesn't even allow me to exec into the pod. It doesn't even allow me to run bash inside the container because it's a zero trust policy. It only allows the authorized processes to be executed inside the inference server pod. Moving to the final part of the demo, let's bring back our sklearn server. Uh, and this sklearn server has an over permissive service account token associated to it. And what this will allow me to do is it will allow me to perform a lateral movement within the cluster. Let's exec into the pod once again. And I have a snippet of code with me. This snippet of code will pull down kubectl binary and it will use a service account token to create a kube config file. Kubectl, let's try to list down all the secrets. Yeah, I'm allowed to do that. Let's list down all the pods. Yeah, allowed to do that as well. Perfect. So to prevent this, I have a very popular kubearmor policy, and it blocks all accesses to the service account token. And an inference engine really doesn't need to have access to the service account token. So let's execute this particular policy. Let's clear up kubectl and git config. Now let's try to run the same piece of code again. It gives me a permission denied. It doesn't allow me to access the service account token.
Those 4 demonstrations highlight how you can effectively adopt the Acunox platform to protect your AI infrastructure. As a quick summary, we saw how to 1. Harden Jupyter notebooks to block threats like crypto miners. 2. Prevent sophisticated data poisoning attacks in Kubeflow. 3. Secure inference engines against reverse shell exploits. And 4. Prevent attackers from moving laterally within your Kubeflow environment. Our approach uses layered security controls from the CI pipeline to runtime, with a central policy and a scalable control plane. The schematic highlights our responsibility as an AI factory provider to secure every layer, from the hardware up to the applications and user workloads. Acunox has a few key features that make us stand out. Our automated red teaming finds vulnerabilities in your models before attackers do. The LLM prompt firewall ensures your AI interactions are safe and controlled. We also offer holistic AI security that protects the entire AI/ML workload from end to end. Plus, we provide built-in compliance for frameworks like the EU AI Act, NIST, and OWASP. This chart shows how Acunox provides a more complete security solution compared to other vendors. We offer protection for AI platform, pipeline, model, and dataset security, as well as runtime security. Our platform includes safety guardrails for session abuse and unsafe content, plus attack detection and incident response capabilities. We also help you meet your GRC goals. Acunox secures your AI and data pipelines from end to end with features like data lineage, secret scanning, and runtime protection for inference endpoints. You can download our Agentic AI Security ebook or get a live tour to see a personalized security assessment.